Hello folks, in this video I'm gonna show you how to integrate the local notifications inside a Unity game. So I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it myself. So when I want to integrate something, I just do it like this. Go to the browser and search. Let's say now we need Unity local local notification. Alright, so let's go on the first link. Local notification. So this is for iOS. If we want it preferably to be on both platforms at the same time, so not to have two different parts of code, one for Android and one for iOS. So this one is for iOS. It says here, let's see if we have an example. Let's try this one. So basically I want to teach you how to fish and not give you a fish. So in this particular example I didn't do it previously. I didn't integrate the notifications. I did it in the past, like 2 years ago, but it was different then. I think the guys from Unity didn't have a package themselves with the notification. So let's see here. Let me just close the window because there are some noisy children outside. Alright, so we have here the Android notification channel. Great. Alright, and probably iOS. Yeah, so we have it split into two sections, but for example let's try it on Android for the moment. So we create here the notification channel, we register the notification channel, and then we send a simple notification. So this is what we want. In this example I want to send a notification like 5 seconds into the future. So if it works for 5 seconds, it will work for minutes and hours and days and whatever you want. So let's try this code here. Alright, so we have our Unity project. This is the menu scene that I have. I have it split it this way, so this is how I organize it. I have scene folder and then every scene actually. So we have the menu scene, and inside it we have the scripts folder, and here I'm gonna create a new C# script named intuitively local notification. Alright, so we want to create it here and on start, and it says namespace cannot be found. So in order to check if we have this namespace somewhere in the project, we do Alt Enter, and it says here that we don't have it. Usually if you have it you can import it, but you don't have an import option here. So it should be a package that we have to import. Okay, so let's search for package. Unity local, it's called, let's say, Unity notification package. Okay, it's the same page. Notification package. I actually went through this page prior to the video, so I know that we have to import the project. So what actually says here, it says to go to the advanced button. So we go inside Unity, we go to window, package manager, and here we have the search option. So we say notification, notif. Okay, so we have mobile notifications, version 1.0.3. We click on install. This will take like 30 seconds or so. Okay, let's go through the rest of the tutorial until. So it says here that we have to put this one also. So this example shows you how to schedule a simple notification, text notification, and send it to the notifications channel you created in the previous step. So for example, we want the notification to fire up immediately, to be registered immediately. So on start we're gonna put, I think it's installed. Anyways, we're gonna send a notification. We have here add minutes 5, but we want to do seconds, not minutes. So let's see. Okay, so it's installed. The plugin is installed, but it still has some things to do in background. I think, yeah, how to generate lighting and such. Alright, so now we can import the actual namespace using Unity Notifications Android. Okay, so now we don't have any errors. So we want here to add seconds. So in 5 seconds we want to have notification with the title new treasure discovered. Come inside and take it. Okay, so this is just for demonstration purposes. Okay, save this, Control S. Okay, you can also remove it if you want. You have here the remove button. For the moment, yeah, Unity is still loading. You have to be patient with these plugins. Let's go back to the tutorial. Alright, what else do we have here? It seems like you can also specify an icon that you can use, small and large icon for the notification, and if you don't specify a custom icon for each notification, the default Unity icon displays in the status bar instead. You can configure notification icon in the project settings window. Yeah, and I think that you can actually check if the user went inside the app, inside the game, through the notification. So if you clicked the notification and open the game this way, you can actually capture this behavior. But I don't think we will do it. We will do it in this tutorial. So let's see. Is it done? Yes, I think so. Okay. Don't have any errors. We have here the local notification script, and we have to add it into our scene here. So let's just drag and drop it here. Okay, we have it here, local notification. So when we're gonna open this page, this code here will run. Okay, so let's try it. I have here a emulator actually, and I'm gonna run it to see if it works. Build and run. So it should be fairly straightforward. Okay, let's see if we have a wrapper for both Android and iOS, so to use the same code for both platforms at the same time. we also have a sample project here on their GitHub page. So let's see, demo. Okay, data pending notification event. Okay, it's still running. I'm curious to see if they made a wrapper over the notifications for Android and iOS. Okay, it's almost done. Notification. So this is how you actually do the research and study how others have done it. Okay, so we have here an error. Manifest merger failed. Main SDK version 16 cannot be smaller than version 19 declared in library Android notifications release. So it seems that we have the wrong SDK version. So I think I know what is this about, because for example when you go to just a moment, yeah, Unity just does some things in background from time to time, so you have to be patient with it. Okay, so build settings, we have here the player settings, and here you can see, as far as I know, we have the minimum version. So yeah, the minimum one is 16 and we should put 19 in order for this to work. So let's see, 19 is KitKat. You can also put it to 21. 19, 21. You can search for the actual popularity. Android versions distribution. Whenever I want to check if a specific distribution is worth delivering, I check this one. So for KitKat we have 7%. Okay, so 7% is worth keeping. So yeah, I'll put it just to 19. Okay, so let's try it again. Build and run. Alright. I'll just fast forward this one. Alright guys, I'm back. So I managed to install it. It was a successful build. It says here build completed with a result of succeeded. So I have it actually on my phone here, but I wanted to show you on my screen. So if you want, for example, to show the screen of your phone on your PC, you can install an app named Visor. So for example, Let's see if I can get it to work. Okay, so this is my spin. So I have here the app. It's Fazan, and here in 5 seconds a notification should appear. Let's see if it works. Sometimes there is a delay, so the notification arrives a little bit late. Oh, yeah, I know what happened. So the app was already opened, so I will open it again. Alright, and in 5 seconds, yeah, so this is it. New treasure discovered. Come inside and take it. You see, we have here the notification. So if we close the app, we can open it from here. And now if we exit, we should have, yeah, so now we have 2 notifications. It seems that it doesn't get dismissed when you click on it. I think you need some parameters added, some params. So let's see. Okay, the tutorial we have here the, where was it? Okay, alright, so fire time, text, title, importance, name. Okay, let's see if we have other parameters here. Okay, so distance, let's see, notification dot, so we have color, file time, group, content data, heat, should auto cancel, sort style, uses stopwatch. I don't know, this should auto cancel, what does it do? We need some more specifics. Okay, so we have here sample. Let's search for notifications. Okay. So now we want the notification to be auto dismissed after we click on it. So for the moment we can dismiss it like this, but when you click on it, it's still there. So yeah, we want it to be dismissed. So let's see if we can find something. Notification dismiss. Okay, dismiss should auto cancel. So this notification will automatically be dismissed when the user touches it. By default, this behavior is turned off. So as I thought, if you put here should auto cancel equals true. Alright, so now I'm gonna run it again, save this and show you guys. Alright, so Unity is thinking, loading, so this will take a while, like 2 minutes or so. Alright guys, so the build
Right back.
has completed successfully. So it says here build succeeded. So now we have here the device and we open the game. Well, it was already open, so I have to close it and now open it again. Alright, so this is the menu screen and let's see if we get the notification. Alright, so new treasure discovered, this is it, and if we click it, it opens the game and we don't have the notification anymore. So the parameter actually worked. So that was it for the Android side. We also have the iOS side, but for that we have to use, okay, let's see, iOS, yeah, we have to request the authorization firstly, and then it's very similar to the Android part. We create a notification and then schedule the notification. We have here the time trigger, if it repeats or not, so it's very similar. I don't have an actual iOS device. I mean, you need a Mac for that, so I cannot show you now, but it's very similar. I mean, if you copy and paste this code inside here, it should work. For example, if you want to check if it's an Android or an iOS device, you use this code. So you say if Unity Android, you do this, and here you do end if, and then you say if Unity iOS, do an end if here, and you copy, for example, this code. Let's see, yeah, copy this and put it here. But first of all, you should comment this part, because you need to see if you have any errors. So you have to put using Unity notifications iOS, so you integrate this one, and then the notification, let's see, yeah, it's already defined, so you have to check this code out. So let's say, for example, notification iOS, okay, put it here like this, okay, delete this one. Trigger time, date time, you have to import it, music system. Trigger time is the one from here. So trigger time is a variable that it's defined here. You can also define it here, okay, right. And now, yeah, you have minutes, time span, minutes, seconds. Let's see the time span. This is for Android, and for iOS, time interval, trigger, one moment, time interval, yeah. So let's see, at time interval, you have here to repeat, okay. It says create an iOS notification time interval trigger instance when you want to schedule the delivery of a local notification after the specified time span has elapsed. So you put here, for example, where were we, minutes, 1 minute and 0 seconds. So after this time you will get the notification. So so now, for example, you don't have any errors, you save the code, and you can actually double check this part. Well, if you run it on our Mac device, you'll get all the errors here if you have any. But at the moment we uncomment this and this, so that's it. You have here the conditions for Unity iOS and Android. And of course you can change the title and the body text and all the things that you want from here. So yeah, that's about it, guys. So I hope you found it helpful and useful for your cases, use cases. And please comment if you have any questions. Leave a like or a dislike if you didn't want it, and it will be very useful if you didn't, or if you liked it, to also write a comment so I know if I should continue making these videos. And yeah, that's about it. So this was the tutorial of integrating local notifications inside a game. So until next time, guys, take care.